All right, guys. Kevin's going to be throwing some hot laps down. Stay tuned. Dude wads it up big time. Mad shout out to Kevin.
You guys ready? So we had 3 rollovers today. I think. So just a quick little driver.
Don loves it. It's his favorite.
So rough and tough, not manicured. So know what you're doing. Don't drive over your head. But the big thing is, I've had a few people do this, and they're running the course right, and they just blow a corner, okay? And then they just lose their mind, and then they just start looking for a route to take. The whole point of this track is, I love Baja racing, and I love knowing that no one's coming the other way, and that's half the reason I don't even hardly run Havasu anymore, because I know no one's coming the other way when I'm here. Point being, you don't know where you're going, just stop, take a breath, watch someone come through, whether that takes 5-20 minutes before someone else comes through, and then just follow them. I can't have you guys going the wrong way.
Is it going to be like a parade lap so we can see where it's
Yes.
at? Okay.
So what we're going to do right now, me and Josh will lead this little charade. There's multiple lanes, right? There's 2 lanes. Most of the track is 2 lanes, okay? There is some 3-lane areas. It'll be a real slow lap, 20-30 mile an hour lap.
It's like riding a roller coaster.
Yeah, you're kind of just almost like in train tracks, right?
Yeah.
I'm going this way whether I like it or not. And if I fight it, I'm going on my lid.
Exactly. It's dug in like the 5th lap of a race course, you know, so it's just go.
Yeah.
So, no, it's fun.
One thing I've noticed, hottest laps, like guys that have like repeat, myself included, whoever like, whenever we've come out when it was a little bit smooth and groomed, like our slower times were on those days. When it's like this and rough and rutted, that's been our fastest time.
Yeah, you're locked in.
The flat right here is the cones, so just everybody go throw down some laps, get comfortable with the track, and then when you're ready, we'll throw down some times. But we just back you up to the corner right here, you take off. Once you pass here, time starts, and then when you come back through, time stops here. So stay in it until you're out.
Doing good? Yeah? Awesome. Yeah. Other than the dust, right?
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 I'm gonna go for one more.
Yeah, go right ahead.
It's cool. It's definitely, you gotta try it.
Yeah.
It's awesome,
Yeah.
So.
For sure. Well, cool. Well, I mean, do as many laps as you want. Like, I think everybody's just kind of...
Did Dallin take one?
Get going. Huh?
Dallin took a group?
No. Oh, yeah, he did.
He did, okay.
He did.
So now everybody gets...
Everybody can just go when they want to, and...
Oh, Kevin getting whiskey! Dude, he is just sending. Oh, I wish you could see it in the dust. He is full sending it. I don't think we got many of the shots of him getting out of whack, but he was getting whiskey out there. What was his time? 5:27, Kevin O'Leary. Kevin, what do you think your time is? Dude, you were getting all out of whack. That was awesome to watch. It was impressive. You kept it on 4 wheels, unlike me. I was told I could park there. So, 5:27. Throwing down heavy.
Not too bad. First time.
Yeah.
That was your first, yeah, that's your first timed one, huh?
Yep.
Nice. That was good.
Yeah.
So we got...
Giving her all she had.
Oh, we could tell. We could tell. Dude, you waxed a couple of those corners. I couldn't believe it. Like, you just went, slid in and was gone. I was like, what the? Like, I wasn't really ready with the drone. I was like, oh,
I'll have to do it again.
okay. risky.
Oh God. Oh God. How do you open it?
Whoops! What happened?
Your phone's calling the cops. Dad, your phone's calling the cops.
It's all right.
Hey, you can't park there.
Why won't
Here, let me have it.
When I got lunchbox, the same thing happened to me. With the phone.
Damn it.
Dude, I'm happy to
Dude, if that fucking tire would have never fallen off,
dude, you
Oh, it broke the rim.
Yeah, no.
Oh.
Where's my radio? Or is that my phone?
Your phone is supposed to be going off.
Damn it.
I heard some clicking as you were going up, right there, and then it just kind of clicked one more time.
Oh, you got it?
Something spun you.
I don't know.
I think something failed.
Well, should we hurry and all heave ho? Your car,
Somebody parked there.
hang on. On three, everybody.
Hold on, we gotta move
Oh, we got a car in the way.
Get your shit out! 1, 2.
Pop it up.
Oh, man. What happened? That's a good way to just say, what happened? I don't know.
Hey, the light bar made it.
It's still on. Like my stomach.
I was going for the win.
Watch out.
Right off the big
I wanted to make Dallin do another lap.
Hey, don't take your route.
What was your time?
I was going for the win.
Dude, you were going for the win. There's no doubt about it. Right at the beginning. Well, you did what you always did, which you popped it up, kicked, and then we're like, oh, whoa, that was cool. And then we thought you were good. Then all of a sudden your car just... So I kind of wonder if something... Honestly, I wonder if something broke and that's what...
That's what happened. Something was clicking, so when he hit the bottom of the lip, it either clicked, and then right at the top it clicked again, and then the whole thing clicked.
Yeah, it just kept clicking. Click, 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 click.
You're saying like maybe best wreck?
Oh, the best wreck on the track by far. Best wreck on the track ever.
Ever?
Like, you broke records.
You won something.
Well, Bruce has done pretty good too. But I mean, yours was like, I mean, it was spinning.
We were already in the car coming to you. And
You were still, it was like on Talladega Nights, and he's still going.
I've seen a lot of big crashes at Talladega, but this is the longest one I've ever seen. Let's take a quick commercial break and we'll be right back.
How hard it is.
Not only did he get best wreck, I mean, I've never seen
A lot of carnage.
That's pretty impressive.
We'll give you mad props, Kevin.
I was going for time, not props.
Oh, sorry. Okay, Limpy. Got it. Okay, perfect. That's all right. I was waiting for it to just spin and break and smack me in the face.
Mad shout out to Kevin. He's a little bruised up and battered, but he's healthy, everything's good, and he's already went out and bought a Pro R now. So he's excited. He'll be coming out of the track. He's at 527. The guys in red are from this year. Those are the only guys that can win this year. So if you're a little bit worried that you don't have a fast car, he did that in a Pro XP. And really, the fastest guy out here is me and Sean, which we're not eligible to win these prizes. So, I mean, really, 526 and better, you may be getting first place, which is money and Pro EFI ECU. So hit us up at desertsxx@gmail if you want to come out to the track. $0 to you, chances of winning huge prizes. Hey everybody, it is track season. Our sponsors are hooking you guys up. It's our 4-mile track, 0 entry fee to you guys. Come on out. Pro EFI is hooking you guys up with an ECU. Yeah, a $3,500 ECU from Pro EFI if you get first place. And Metalcraft Products is hooking you guys up with $500 cash. And on top of that, they're gonna make our sweet trophies. Then big shout out to Hostile Wheels. Those guys are hooking you guys up. For second place, if you get second, you get whatever UTV wheels on their website from them for free. American Electric gives you guys $500 cash if you get third place. So if you need any electric work done, commercial or residential in Lake Havasu, hit them up. And MTS is hooking you guys up. Whoever has the fastest time, whether you're first or fifth or 10th, whoever has the fastest time in a stock suspension car, they're gonna give you $600 off in tuning. So come hang out with the Desert Side-by-Side Club. So email us at desertsxx@gmail if you wanna come out, run what you brung. A little heads up, the guy that won it last time had a stock Turbo S 4-seat.
When you're not first, you're last.
It's all about driving. You don't have to have the fastest car. You don't have to have the best suspension car. It is gonna be rough and it is tight. I purposely leave it that way. Come on out, have a good time, ride with us.